How to add word effects on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can add word effects on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now once you are in, all you have to do is open the chat section. Right here, tap on it and open one conversation where you want to set the word effect. Open this one. Now once you open it, tap on their name at the top right here, tap on it. Here in the customization section, you will see the word effects right here. Just tap on word effects. Now you can add effects to your chat. You can just add a word or phrase from here, like hi, like this. Now once you add it, tap on this emoji right here and just tap on one emoji. Now just tap on this send right here. Okay, now once you do that, tap on done. Now go back. Now type in the word you just created the word effect to, like this. Now you can see the bold text right here. Now tap on send. As you can see, it says send with word effect, and you can just see the word effect right here. That's it. This is how you can add word effects in Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.